Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on BitTorrent. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that BitTorrent has formed another falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, and this was my last video that I shared almost 24 hours ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then here on this daily time frame chart, you can see that it is still moving at the support of this falling wedge pattern. By the way, before that, we broke out this falling wedge pattern, then we had a nice pump. And on a weekly time frame chart, I have been sharing with you this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern. You can see that we had a very massive rally after the breakout. From this low to here, it was more than 511% pump, but the price line could not break out this long-term resistance of 167. And now we have broken down this very strong support zone that starts from 115 and goes to 108. And now it has formed another falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And by the way, if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of May 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for flow key, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 20th of May 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a very massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of BitTorrent. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern. And I was telling you that once we will be able to break out this wedge, then we can expect a move at least up to the top of the wedge. That was the technical target for this breakout. That was 167, and you can see that the price then rallied up to 220. But got rejected by this long-term resistance of 220. By the way, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that from 220 to 255, we have a very long-term resistance on that had been previously breaking at the resistance on here and resistance on here as well. And once again, we got rejected by this resistance and got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. Now, again, it is dropped down at the support of this wedge and moving here sideways. If we move back on the weekly time frame chart once again, then here you can see that we also have a hidden bullish divergence flash on this 7 days time frame chart as the price line is forming higher low. At the same time, stochastic is moving down and enter the oversold zone, and it is also forming lower low. Therefore, there is a probability that we may see another bounce and we may see another attempt to break out this falling wedge pattern. In case of breaking out this wedge, the target to the upside for this breakout will be here at 220. And the final target for this previous falling wedge pattern breakout that was happening here on the 7 days time frame chart. That move is still due. That target can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 255. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.